Climate. It is said that India has a tropical monsoon type of a climate. Now, why do we say that India has a tropical monsoon type of climate? Because India lies in the tropical belt that is influenced by the monsoon winds, and these winds are largely confined to the tropics, that is between 20 degrees north and 20 degrees south of the equator. The main characteristics of this type of climate are relatively high temperatures and dry winters. However, the Himalayas in the north and the Indian Ocean in the south provide distinctive climatic condition to India. The Himalayan ranges protect North India from the severe cold winds of Central Asia and Siberia and give it a continental type of a climate. The characteristics of which are the prevalence of land winds, dryness of air, and large diurnal range of temperature. The Indian Ocean in the south gives it a hot monsoon climate, more typical of the tropical than of the temperate zone. Despite the broad unity of the monsoon type of climate variations, variation in climate occur in different regions of the country. For example, the climate condition of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh in the north differ from that of Kerala and Tamil Nadu in the south. Yet, all of these states have a similar monsoon type of climate. These variations are expressed in the pattern of winds, temperature, and rainfall rhythm of seasons, and the degrees of wetness or dryness. These regional diversities are known as subtypes of monsoon climate. Let's discuss more about the temperature. Seasonal variation in temperatures occur from place to place and from region to region. Variations in temperature are found also at a single place and in a single day. Example of these variations are Barmer in Rajasthan may record a temperature of 48 degrees centigrade or 50 degrees centigrade on a June day, while it hardly reaches 22 degrees centigrade at Falgam or Gulmarg in Kashmir on the same day. However, in Dras near Kargil, the temperature may go down to minus 40 degrees centigrade during the winter time. So this we can infer that India has a very unique, diverse type of climate. In Rajasthan, it will be very hot during the month of June. It may reach as high as 50 degrees centigrade, and at the same time, on the same date, in Kargil, Dras in Kargil, the temperature may go down to minus 40 degrees centigrade because of Indian diversity. Secondly, in Kerala, Kerala has a tropical climate with warm and moist air, whereas Punjab has continental type of climate with severe heat alternating with severe cold. So Kerala has a tropical climate, means to say the climate would be moderate in Kerala, not too hot, not too cold. Perhaps the maximum temperature reached in Kerala would be 40 degrees centigrade, even though it is very close to the equator. And the minimum temperature in Kerala might go down only to 30 degrees centigrade. So that there's a range difference of only 10 degrees centigrade at the same place during the summer temperature and the winter temperature. The temperature touches minus 40 in Kargil in the month of December, whereas Kerala records 20 degrees centigrade or 22 degrees centigrade in the same month. Okay, the annual range of temperature is 3 degrees centigrade along the Malabar coast. and more than 20 degrees centigrade in the interiors. When we say the annual range of temperature, we say the difference between the maximum temperature in the summer and the minimum temperature in winter. So the annual range of temperature along the Malabar coast is only 3 degrees centigrade. Only 3 degrees centigrade. If the temperature along the Malabar coast during the summer time is 38 degrees, suppose I'm just giving an estimation, suppose it's only 38 degrees, so during the winter time it will be 35 degrees. So you will not find any difference between the summer season and winter season in the Malabars. Whereas in many of the interior of the country, for example in Nagpur, if you see, the maximum temperature in Nagpur is around 47 degrees centigrade during summer time. During the peak Nautapa time, the summer temperature might be as hot as 47 degrees centigrade, whereas in the winter time the temperature might come down to 7 degrees centigrade. So the annual range of temperature in Nagpur would be 40 degrees. So that is how we can conclude whether a particular region is in the interior of the continent or is on the sea coast. Okay, so the difference between day and night temperatures in the Andaman Islands and Kerala is hardly 7 or 8 degrees Celsius, whereas in the Thar Desert it is between 25 to 30 degrees centigrade. So even the difference between the day temperature and the night temperature. So in the Andaman Islands and in Kerala, so these regions are covered by water bodies. So here the range of temperature, the difference in the temperature, day temperature and the night temperature is very less. Okay, it might be 7 or 8 degrees centigrade. Whereas in Thar Desert of Rajasthan, the range of temperature between the day and night, the difference between the day temperature and the night temperature might be somewhere around 25 to 30 degrees centigrade.